My name is Lyndon Drake and I'm the operational lead for the Oxford Collaboration for Theology and Artificial Intelligence. We've brought together a group of people from around the world to meet here in Oxford in person for 2 days. Each of those people come bringing their community, their institutions with them, and they will go back out over the coming months and years to extend what we're doing here into the whole of the world. We've got a real focus on the majority world and also a real focus on AI practitioners. What we've done today is to work hard on a couple of foundational questions, and these include issues like who would profess an Oxford oath? And we've thought about how that would give form perhaps to a fellowship as well of people who have professed that oath. And then over the time we have tomorrow, we're going to extend that to start to work on exactly what will be in that oath and what people will be committing to with it. So I'm really looking forward to spending a second day with this wonderful group of people, and I'm also looking forward to what day 2 will bring for the communities that we serve.